Xiaomi Redmi 9. Xiaomi Redmi 9 comes as an affordable device that suits the need of a gamer as well as other types of users. It has a wide and immersive quality display that can render amazing visuals. The cameras are good to capture excellent pictures and shoot videos. There is a massive battery which can provide more than 1 day of power backup in a single time charging. The storage is also sufficient for the budget. However, it only lacks display protection. Reliable budget device display and camera. Xiaomi Redmi 9 comes with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels along with a pixel density of 409 ppi. However, there is no screen protection, hence the display would require careful handling. For the camera, the smartphone features a pair of 13MP and 5MP rear lenses and an 8MP front camera. These can capture amazing pictures with bright and sharp details. Configuration and battery. To meet the performance aspects, the device packs an octa-core Cortex-A53 processor along with a clock speed of 1.8 GHz. It is seated on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset, which handles the operation with the further assistance of Adreno 506 GPU. A massive 4 GB RAM looks after gaming and multitasking of the device along with the GPU. To provide the required power, there is a huge 5000 mAh Li-ion battery, which can provide a long-time activity. There is no fast charging support, but the huge capacity would not require too frequent charging. Storage and connectivity. Xiaomi Redmi 9 comes with 64 GB internal memory that can be expanded up to 512 GB with the help of a micro SD card. Compared to the pricing, internal memory is ample to be used. For connectivity, the smartphone supports 4G VoLTE connectivity, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, USB Type-C, etc. Xiaomi Redmi 9 price. Xiaomi Redmi 9 price is expected to be $136.28, 9,999 rupees. Xiaomi Redmi 9 expected to be launched on March 12, 2020. This is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of Xiaomi Redmi 9, which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.